Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariam Parkar. I am in third standard. My school name is Kosa English School. Today, my topic is about those incidents which recently happened. The first incident is about Kurla, BSc bus which occurred in last month. In this incident, 7 people were dead and 49 people were seriously injured. The bus driver Sanjay More, who was untrained and didn't knew much more about the bus driving, without saying anything and without anything. The authorities kept him as the bus driver. He lost his control on the bus while driving and a drastic incident took place. I would also like to give in front of you one more incident which recently happened near Pachara Island, also known as Jawahar Deep, 8.25 kilometers from the gateway, resulted in the death of 13 people, including a naval officer and 2 workers. The ferry capsized as a result of the collision. This is high time to be alert and to be awake to seek on such matter. Thank you.